Hey everyone, it's Alyssa from Cakewalk. Today I'm going to cover setting up the Simple Subscriptions product page widget with Online Store 2.0 themes. These new themes allow a lot more flexibility for your store and simplify the setup of Simple Subscriptions into any compliant theme. Shopify provides a free Online Store 2.0 compliant theme, Dawn, that I'll be using for this demonstration. Looking at our product page for blueberry cheesecake, we see 3 variants, and currently, no option to subscribe to Getting Pie. Total bummer. Let's fix that now. Starting from the Shopify admin homepage in Apps, you can see that I've already installed the Simple Subscriptions app. That's necessary for everything I'll demonstrate in the video. Also, I have already created a subscription plan as shown on the installation guide. That process is covered in another video, which I'll link below. Using the Setup widget button in the installation guide, I can go directly to the appropriate theme customization screen. If you aren't taken to the product screen shown here, most likely it's because you haven't set up any products yet. In this case, I've associated my subscription plan with blueberry cheesecake, but I can search for another product if the product shown doesn't have any associated subscription plan yet. Installing the subscription widget is fast. First, click Add Block under Product Information. Next, under the app subheader, pick Subscriptions. When the page refreshes, you should already see the widget on the right. I don't really like Shopify's default placement, and I want to fix that before doing any further customizations. So I click back to the parent section, hover my mouse over Subscriptions, and click and drag using the 6 dots icon on the right. I drag the row up until it's just above the buy buttons. That looks much better. I'll edit the purchase options header to say Select Delivery Frequency. The page refreshes when I'm done typing. I'm happy with the setup now, so I'll save the changes. Also, we can see that Shopify has automatically selected the product from the current page. This is known as a dynamic source. It changes for each product page and is what we want, so I'll leave this setting as is. Returning to my live storefront, now when I refresh the product page, all of my subscription options are there. Great! And that's it for setting up Simple Subscriptions with Online Store 2.0 themes. Don't hesitate to reach out to our support team if you get stuck or have any other questions. Sometimes the look and feel of the widget isn't perfect for your theme, and we're always happy to help with that.